Getting your first ATM installed is an achievement, but scaling to 5 ATMs while working full-time is where life-changing passive income really begins. So here's the difference. 1 ATM, $250 a month. 5 ATMs, $1,250 or more a month. That's a big deal. Today I'm sharing the exact blueprint that I used to grow from 1 to 5 ATMs without quitting my day job, and how my students are doing the same. Today in my business, I have people who load ATMs, who install ATMs, who deinstall ATMs, and who do service at night, on the weekends, during holidays. But there was a time when I didn't have any of those people. I was doing it all myself. Now today, I still help out from time to time, but I don't do it on a daily basis. I started with 1 ATM, loading it, doing service on it, installed that first ATM, talked with the business owner to get that first installation. And then I grew from 1 to 3. 3 is where I got stuck. 3 is where I was getting my hang up. I couldn't figure out how to grow my business to the next level. The reason was I couldn't find a hook to place more ATMs. And I stayed there for almost 2 years, not growing my business, being stagnant, couldn't figure out how to do it. You might ask, 2 years, why so long? The reason is I was working a full-time business. I was concentrating on my energy. Once I got stuck with 3 ATMs, I shifted my focus to my regular full-time job. That was a big source of my revenue. But I was still working, how do I get to the next level with my ATM business? Then all of a sudden, I figured out how to do it. In no time, after figuring it out, I went from 3 to 5 to 10 to 20 ATMs. That's when it started to get exciting, when I figured out the solution of how to grow. So I call this the stage expansion framework. This principle allows you to find your stride. What is working? What isn't working? What locations make money? Where to find those locations? This principle will allow time to become your ally. This will help you grow from 1 to 5 and beyond. Most people will get stuck at 1 or even 3, quickly hitting that illustrious roadblock. Every week somebody else calls me and says, hey, I want to get an ATM business and I want to have 20 ATMs by the end of the year. Those people have to allow for the stage expansion framework to actually work. All too often, they hit that roadblock right away. Maybe it's 1, maybe it's 3, sometimes it's more. They hit that roadblock and they quit. They don't trust the process. Here's what you need to know. Number 1, how long is it going to take to repay my ATM? We call that ROI, return on investment. How long is it going to take to get that money? Let's say it's $3,000. I got to make that $3,000 back to be even. How long is that principle going to take? Number 2, when am I going to reinvest, or am I? Number 3, what am I going to do to get leads for permanent placement ATMs? Number 4, how am I going to build a sales channel to get leads? And number 5, who's going to help me with this process? Answer all those questions and you could be off to the races growing your ATM business to the next level. In any great business, you need to scale to the next level. For me, it was always about adding another 0. It just made sense. A friend of mine once told me, you just need to add another 0 wherever you're at, and that's always the next level. If you're making $250 a week, you want to make $2,300 a week. If you're making $2,300 a month, you want to make $23,000 a month. Whatever it is, always plan on adding that extra 0. That will help you grow to the next level. The stage expansion framework helps you answer some of those questions. Where, when, and how do I scale my ATM business? If I can master this, there isn't any telling to the level that I can grow my ATM business. So if you're thinking about starting your own profitable ATM business, but don't know where to start, I want to invite you to our free checklist entitled ATM Business Income Passive Checklist, the 5 things you need to know to scale your ATM business. Well, you can have a clear roadmap towards ATM business success. You can earn between $250 and $1,500 of passive income every single month. If this sounds like something you want to do, click the link down below and start your ATM journey today. Again, this is Phil from the ATM Mastermind Group page, where we buy your freedom back 1 transaction at a time. Please like and subscribe to our channel and check out our ATM Mastermind Group page.